Come with me on a day out with my twins. We're getting ready to go to story time at the library. Here we are. We were late, but we made it to the last story. Look at them. They love holding hands. I checked out 7 books for us to start reading this week. My goal is to read a book every night. And here's my mom reading one of the books to them. Whenever we're not at home, we love using these kind breast milk bags. This is what we used when we were in New York, and it just really helped us not have to keep washing bottles. It's super convenient. I just prep the bottles with the powder and add the water, and boom, all we need is the nipple that goes with it. I printed their names, label it on the bottle so I'll know which is which, and it's flat so it helps them to be able to eat easier when we're in the car and when we're out and about in their stroller. I stopped at Sonic and got me some breakfast. They gave me the wrong breakfast burrito, but they corrected it. I like the Supersonic breakfast burrito with bacon instead of beef. Tonight I am making my gumbo with shrimp, chicken, and sausage, beef sausage. It was so good. I don't make it spicy, but it came out good. And good night.